So I'm working on this program for fading animals in and out, and I've set up an initialize handler that puts the sort of start of the game onto the screen. So I'm going to go back up to the top of the program now, and you'll notice that on mouse up, this is when you click on the start button, the first thing that happens is a call to this handler called initialize. So it goes down, the program goes down and executes this handler. That's the one that's called initialize. And having done that, having set up the game, it returns to where it was, which is here, and then it executes this code. Now I'm going to tidy this up a little bit first, and what I'm going to do to begin with is I notice that this code here for showing image 1 is exactly the same as image 2, and again exactly the same as image 3. So I'm going to tidy it up by putting in another fixed loop, and I'm going to have a variable that's going to count through my 3 images, and I'll just use image number, and I'll put that in here and say equals 1 up to, and do you remember I've got a variable called number images which has the number of images that I'm working with. And as I said before, if I change it down in the initialize program, then this will work for the new number because I have it as a variable. I'm going to press tab and this slot moves in, so I need to come down here and put in the end of the fixed loop. So this loop here is going to go round for the images. So I'm going to take that variable and I'm going to put it in here, and need to move that over a little bit, in here and in here and here, and also the field ID corresponds to the image number as well. And having done that, because it'll work for image number being 1 and then 2 and then 3, I can actually just get rid of this code. So I'll get rid of the one for 2 because it's now done inside that loop, and I'll get rid of the code for the third one because this loop is going to go around and do all 3 of them. Now what I've decided is that at the moment the initialize puts the 3 images in a random place at the very beginning, and they're sort of set at that place. So I'm going to take that line there, I'm going to cut it from there, and I'm going to move it so that it actually happens each time round here. And at the moment you won't see, it won't actually make a lot of difference, but it's going to set the location of the image to a random place, and then it will do the fade in and fade out again, and then check whether I need to add the score. So I'm putting the random position there. Now what I would like to do is, at the moment they're going to come up in the order, the same order each time. You'll get image number 1, which says the pig, then you'll get image 2, which is the dog, and then you'll get image 3, which is the cat. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a random number. This is a predefined function that I can use, random, and I'm going to choose it from the number of images. So it'll give me a random number from 1 to 3 into, now I need a variable to carry that random number, whether it's 2, 3 or 1. So I'm going to put the chosen one, and I'm going to double click on there, copy it and add it up into my variable list. And now I'm actually going to change this so that I use that instead of the image number. The image number is the thing that's counting from 1 to 3, so it will always go first one, second one, third one, but if I use that, I should get random ones popping up.